C-Lows.
Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life. Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life.
You can see it in my eyes though. We set the city on fire like some pyro. Then we ain't have a light, no. This is not a lie though. Baby, I'm tripping. I've been sipping. I probably shouldn't drive on, cause I don't like the 5-0. But I'm still tipping, cause I'm feeling like I'm Mike Jones. Stunting on my life though. Look up in the sky, yeah, I told you that I'm fly though. JB going psycho, little mama fast like nitro. Tattoos on her body, she don't care, she'll show you. Pull up in that old school, ripping that thing, still ripping the same thing. Cali boys gang gang, and it's gonna stay the same. And we don't mess with paper planes. We 6 deep, breaking switches sweets at the Raiders game. 6 deep, breaking switches sweets at the Raiders game.
Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life. Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life. I'm out here whipping in my ride. Blood lit and I'm high. Swisher sweet full of gasoline. That real kill, that type of shit that'll kill Bill. That real deal, no. Had to get back and take a chill pill and get back to killing this mind. Mix a little green with that Sprite. That mixture make me feel bright. Herb serving in the black bourbon, riding through the streets at night. Who like to feast at night? Make the suckers bleed at night. So we cross paths, it's a bloodbath. I'm just aiming to kill on sight. I'm just aiming to kill on sight. Making every move like it's my last move. Cause if you're moving wrong, then that's life. They'll do you wrong and that's try. If it's the same old song, that's right. You gotta grow from it, not slow from it. Get your family straight, that's right. When they out here killing my vibe, I just roll it up and drive. Throw the beat on and then the heat on. I'm headed up to the sky. I'm flying to the day I die. Gotta come in the rough, I shine. Gotta chase that vein, that's mine. Gotta get that money, that's mine. Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life. Please don't kill my high. I'm just trying to vibe. You can see it in my eyes. I've been standing all my life. I've been standing all my life.
When we pop off, smoke so much loud, no turning down, we get the cops called. Smoke the whole pound, it's going down until we nod off. Clouds rolling out, sign on the door, it says do not knock, we showing out. We rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole bush up like ha ha, ha ha ha. We rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole bush up like ha ha ha, ha ha. I made a song about that cooking. They wonder how I smoke like that. My blood is filled up to the brim. They wonder how I get them so fast. Mary Jane, that's my bitch. Smoke everywhere I go like I'm with. 420, that's the time that's on my wrist. And if you don't believe me, ask your bitch. When we pop off, smoke so much loud, no turning down, we get the cops called. Smoke the whole pound, it's going down until we nod off. Clouds rolling out, sign on the door, it says do not knock, we showing out. We rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole bush up like ha ha, ha ha ha. We rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole bush up like ha ha ha, ha ha ha. talk so much loud, no turning down, we get the cops called. Smoke a whole pound, it's going down until we nod off. Clouds rolling out, sign on the door, it says do not knock. We showing out, we rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole push up like ha ha, ha ha ha. We rolling kush up, yeah, that la la la, la la la. Roll that whole push up like ha ha ha, ha ha ha. How you smoke like that?
Got another one, of course. The party don't start till I walk in. When I pull up with your bitch and her best friend. Pull up, hop out, pull up, hop out, pull up. The party don't start till I walk in. When I pull up with your bitch and her best friend. Pull up, hop out, pull up, hop out, pull up.
I pull up and hop out, I'm getting whopped out. Out here on the grind, cross the line, you getting knocked out. Bad broad on my side, when I clock out, I'm beating up the coochie like I'm pack out. I'm the life of the party, you bitch, you be on me. Taking off her wedding ring like let's chill with the homies. You better tighten up the handcuffs and throw on the shackles, cause your relationship status looking fresh. I be out here on the daily, crazy thumbing through money. All these bitches be fugazi, always leave when it's ugly. But when we up, middle finger sideways in the cutty. We get it crackin' out here, we live and love it. California boy getting it, if it's on then it's on. With your girl and the best friend, tipping Patron. They hella listen to the song instead of turning them on. So what's a couple more drinks, then we gone.
The party don't start till I walk in. When I pull up with your bitch and her best friend. Like pull up, hop out, pull up, hop out, pull up. The party don't start till I walk in. When I pull up with your bitch and her best friend. Like pull up, hop out, pull up, hop out, pull up.
7, no weapon, I ain't stressing. 209 legend ever since I was like 11. Shit on my mama, we get it poppin' in our section. Shut the club down, then we out to the next one. Me and your girl, her girl, and her best friend. Reservations at the Motel 6, and we ain't checking. Dressing fresh, I don't need no necklace. And I can teach you lessons if you need some lessons. All eyes on me. It's me and your girlfriend, and her friend, and we high off weed. Still smoking, we ain't stopping that. And my t-shirt says we're bringing Stockton back. Did you hear me clearly? Copy that. She might have left with me, G, but she's probably walking back. They talking to me, I ain't talking back. And shout out Nate, this is Stockton Slash.
The party don't start till I walk in. When I pull up with your bitch and her best friend. Like pull up, hop out,